Here we are with the latest finished project from the Classic Mechanic. This is a very, very beautifully restored nut and bolt 1954 Series 1 Land Rover. As with all our projects, this is a real labour of love. As you can hear, this 1954 engine purring, considering that this has been the age it is, it's been stripped down to every last nut, bolt, washer, as has the entire car. Very, very different to when it arrived with us. This is it's not a concourse. We make no apologies for that. It was never going to be concourse there, but it is as near perfect as the vehicle would have been, well, better than the vehicle would have left the factory. As you can see, it is a joy to look at and behold. Look at the interior. It's had the last treatment with every single detail being absolutely immaculately restored, either stripped, zinc coated, anodised and painted, or kept original where it can. As you can see, it is a triumph, and we have the very, very happy owner actually with us, Darren, who we'll meet when I talk to him later.